Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry, I thought the thing wasn't actually recording or something, but so let me just take you guys back to how we started. So literally, I said, oops, yeah. So literally, I said that we are currently at the profit taking point on GBP USD because the market has been falling right from this is 2007. It's been falling, so you don't expect the market to just keep falling that way. Okay, this is around the end of the year, so the institutional traders are pulling out their profits. The big guys are starting to pull out their profits. So this is literally a profit taking zone. So the market is currently, because this is way past the 100% 50 Fibonacci retracement point. Okay, let me see if I'm correct. Let me see if I'm correct. Yep, it is way past. Hold on, hold on, real quick. Hold on. Where is Yeah, so we've gone past the profit taking point. We've gone past the profit taking point of GBP which is always the 100% retracement point, and then also this is 0.27. So yeah, this is like the lowest of all lows. Okay, so now you don't expect the market to just keep falling that way. I mean, it's gonna send the investors into panic, some sort of shit. So yeah, for me now, this is usually after the market falls like this. Okay, they come 10 times out of 10, guys. After this kind of crazy fall, we have the ranges. Okay, so the market kind of ranges for a while. Look at this mad fall here, it ranged, mad fall, it ranged. So literally now the sorry guys, apparently people are deciding to fly at this point when I'm recording the video. Amazing. You didn't fly last night. Now that I'm recording the video, yeah, if you want to fly. So yeah, we are currently at the profit taking zone. This old box is so I'm not gonna be taking this is, don't get me wrong, this is going to the swing traders. Yeah, from the I'm talking from the swing traders perspective. Okay, so I'm not there is nothing pulling me into this market to go for any more sales. Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I think I'm done with GBP USD swing trade for the year. I think I'm done with GBP USD because bruh, this is on the monthly time frame and this is where we are, man. Okay, so I think I'm done. I think I'm done with GBP USD because this whole zone isn't really. We need to let the market, do its thing. We need to let the market do its thing, guys. So the market has been falling for a very very long time. So you don't expect the market to keep falling, guys. It's not the wall of Jericho. So yeah, let's just jump into gold real quick. So there is nothing really enticing about GBP USD, the cable. There is nothing really enticing about that. So let's just jump onto something that looks very very interesting. How come this is still pushing up when gold is dropping? Anyway, yeah, coming into, am I recording two videos? Okay, yeah. So coming into my favorite of all favorites, gold. Woo! So first of all, let me just explain something to you guys. Gold has been in an uptrend. Okay, it's been pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Now, why did this trend happen right from what is this, around this point back up? Okay, so this is so let me explain something to you guys now. There's something called wealth transfer in the market. These guys that invest in the guys that invest in stocks, in all those other things. Now there's something called profit taking and transfer of wealth. So literally, why this market? I'm going to tell you why gold was still pushing higher at this point, at this around this 2022, 2020 rather, 2020 period right here. Now the market just doesn't push. It just doesn't go in a certain direction. It gives you a clue that, okay, fine, this is where we are going to. So from here, forex market students, you know what this is. So the swing low to swing high right here, okay, and then you have like, so this was like the 100% retracement points right here for gold. Okay, so this is A to the B to the C and D. So literally the same amount of pips from A to B is the same from C to D. Anyway, that is a forex mastery thing. So yeah, this is the swing low, this is the swing high. Okay, and then the market came back, after this impulsive leg. Yeah, it had to come back for some sort of pullback, and then give us a clue if you are going to continue to the upside. Now, one of the characteristics of an uptrend is forming higher highs and higher lows. So definitely the market came and gave us higher low right here, and then came and gave us. Now, this isn't this isn't exactly a higher high. Okay, this isn't actually a higher high, because this is, if the market was definitely going to give us higher highs, it's definitely going to be around this period, around this point right here. Okay, because it's supposed to totally take out this high. It's going to take out this high totally. However, this isn't actually, it's not convincing. Okay, and then what happens at this point is that even after failing, after struggling so hard to get above this point, it gave us a double top pattern. Now, this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern. For those of you guys that don't understand, this is a continuation and also a reversal pattern: head, shoulder, shoulder, reversal of this before, then continuation of the overall uptrend. So you guys need to learn all these basic things. So now, you have on the monthly time you have on the monthly time frame that we have like a double top pattern right here, which is a reversal pattern, reversal of what this surge. Now, why did this market move this way? Why did this move this way? Now, usually when there is panic, when there is panic in the world economy, in let's say for instance in the US, or in Europe, or in the UK, anytime they have some sort of panic, investors pull out their monies, they take out their funds, and then look for a safe haven, in quotes, like a better, a safer investment option. Okay, so and usually where that lands them is either silver or gold. Okay, it's either silver or gold, and that's why you guys, it's called transfer of wealth. It's called transfer of wealth in the market. So literally, what happens is that anytime you see the dollar, that's the XY. You see the dollar strengthening, you should know for a fact that, okay, fine, that investors are taking out their money from all this gold and silver. They are moving it into the dollar, because they know very well that the dollar is definitely stronger than gold. And then what happens if the dollar keeps appreciating? Gold will keep depreciating. Same thing goes for silver. Okay, so now that is by the way. Now let's look at what's happening here. So from the fundamental standpoint, gold is going to drop. Okay, from the fundamental standpoint, gold is going to drop. Now let me move into the technical aspect. You guys know that the market is 95% technical. Okay, so if I just like to include the fundamental. Not that I'm a fundamental trader or anything. I just like to sort out every concern that I see, or I feel I have to get that sorted before I even move on to anything. So yeah, from the fundamental standpoint, gold is going to drop. However, let me just explain this surge for you guys. See, this is why I say the market is 95% technical. Now you have inverse head and shoulders pattern right here, which is a reversal of this pullback and also a continuation of the uptrend. Now, why did this give us? If you look at this particular surge, you see that this happened around 2020, and this was when the thing came that they asked people to stay at home, use your mask and all that shit. So yeah, so this is actually what happened. And then if you backdate, you realize that the thing, because I know that by the time I post this video on YouTube, they're gonna start blowing it or something. I don't know. They're gonna start yeah. So YouTube might just look for a way to flag that. I don't know. I don't know, but I don't want them to flag this video inappropriate or something. So yeah, this particular time right here, this particular surge right here, this was when the the world economy was just crumbling. You see gold, you see the pound sterling, you see the euro, it was just falling. So the what the investors did was transfer of wealth, because they knew that there was some sort of panic in the world. Globally, there was some sort of panic. So what did they do? They they took out their money, and then they looked for a better investment to dump it into. And what better investment was that? It was gold and silver. So hence you see why gold kept on pushing even in 2020, when everything was literally falling, euro falling, pound falling, dollar falling, but gold was just rising. Okay, so now that's from the fundamental standpoint. Now let's move into the technical aspect. So in the technical aspect, you have a double top pattern right here, and one of the characteristics of an uptrend is creating higher highs, consecutive higher highs, and higher lows. Okay, so now, however, the market has failed to create an appropriate rather higher high. So right here at this point, it didn't only fail to create a good higher high, it also gave us a double top, which puts this whole uptrend in jeopardy. Okay, it gave us a double top, and then that double tops are reversal patterns, which also puts this whole uptrend in jeopardy. Now, why am I saying jeopardy? Because this is a reversal pattern. I just woke up, guys. Sorry. So this is a reversal pattern, and for sure that the market is definitely. I mean, if a reversal pattern is happening on the monthly time frame, best believe that that shit is gonna hold. Best believe, because this is the time frame of all time frames. Okay, so now this was exactly how I called the dump of Bitcoin, and everybody felt like, oh, this guy is a genius. I mean, I know I'm a genius, but you guys say, this guy is a magician. This guy. So I'm here now. Calling the Oh my god. So I'm here now telling you that, bro, gold is gonna drop silly. It is you can see gold is gonna drop silly. Mad. It's gonna be a mad thing. So I'm just doing this. I'm just making this video so you know exactly how to plan your trades and in what direction, because you guys love to go against the trend a lot, and it's not like you're not right sometimes. It's just that it's very, very difficult for you to get any significant amount of pips, because you're constantly going against the major trend, and it's not really advisable in long term, because it's going to stress you out a lot. So now let's move back. So we have like a double top pattern right here. Okay, and definitely this is a reversal. This is from a reversal standpoint, literally. So however, we have something called, every double top or every reversal chart pattern has a neckline. Neckline being, the high, for in this case, the highest point that the market got before coming back down, to complete the rest of the patterns. So same thing for this. This was the lowest point. Since it's a double top, this is the lowest point that the market got to before, going back up to complete the rest of the move. Okay, now let me see something here. Let me see. Okay, so you can see that this particular double top, the second leg was actually, if you zoom in closely, you will see that the second part of the double top is actually lower than the first leg. That's just by the side. I'm just giving you reasons why this shit is going to drop silly. It's going to drop silly, guys. So you know exactly in what direction to plan your trade. So what you do is top down analysis. My people in Orange Forest community, they know that this is how we plan our trades. Literally, we are able to bag in crazy ridiculous amount of pips, because we know in what direction that the major trend is showing us, and then we know for sure that, okay, fine, we are going to hold for a certain time. So yeah, this is what we have here on the monthly time frame, and even in this double top, there is a double top. Even in this double top, guys, there is a double top. Literally, you have, bruh, double top. Even in this double top, there is also a double top. So, guys, best believe that the market is going to drop. However, I like to drop whatever might be a thing of concern. I have to take it out of the way. However, there is something stopping this guy from dropping. The first thing was a trend line. If you look closely, you notice that we have like a trend line right here. Now let me just redraw this. It is How do you draw your trend line is exactly the first 2 points. The first 2 points is how you draw your trend line, guys. The first 2 points. So now we have a break of trend line. Literally, we have a break of trend line right here. Now this particular trend line is out of the it's out of the way. Now the next thing now is this neckline. Okay, once we break, guys, believe me, once we break below, hold on, guys, let me just quickly, I wrote down a few things for you guys. I wrote down a few things for you guys. Where is it? 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 Where are you? You guys know I don't do shit without my journal. I don't know why you're trading without a journal, guy. You need to get yourself a journal, man. You need the journal. Okay. So I'm still going to talk about Euro USD probably much later or something. But literally this is where we are. The neckline is the only thing holding gold. The neckline is the only thing holding gold, as far as I'm concerned. By the time we break this level, guys, I repeat, by the time we break this level, guys, best believe that the next level target is definitely gonna be around 1544.62, guys. That is the next level target for gold. If you are able to break if you are able to break point on gold, the next level target will be around 1544.32, or around there or thereabouts, 1544.32 literally. So yeah, that is the first level target. You guys know, first level target. So this is what we are looking out for. And you know that on the monthly time frame, we have how many days to the close of that candle? We have about 15 days. 15 days to the close of this particular candle. Now, my first level target, like I said, is around here. If we are able to take out this guy, the next level target is gonna be down here. Now I'm just letting you guys know how to put your trades, how to plan your trades. Okay, I'm just telling you guys, because the thing is, it's not as if you scalpers are wrong with your analysis, or you day traders are wrong with your analysis. It's just that you don't know how, you don't hold trade long enough to fulfill its full potential. So you just end up with 30 pips, 40 pips. Meanwhile, that is supposed to be your stop loss. But that is by the side. I'm just using this now to explain to you. Now, if we break this key level, the next major level, is gonna be a free fall, man. Like, let me just tell you guys something that you guys do not understand is, you see this range, okay? You see this range? This is a range from here to here is a range. Best believe that when gold breaks out, it's gonna give us that same amount of pips. That same amount of pips. Now, if I bring my key level, my key level out here, you get to realize that it is around this zone here. Okay, it is around this zone. Now, why is this point higher than this my range too? It's just that, when it gets to this point, there might be another thing of concern, which is this particular zone here that the market has failed to break above while creating the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. So, however, I'm favoring the downside of gold to the tune of 85%, guys. 85% gold is gonna drop massive. It's gonna drop. It's not even if it breaks this. When it breaks this neckline, we are seeing gold at 1544 points, around there. This is literally the next key level for gold, and that's that on gold. Now, forex machine students, and also my Oren FX students, shout out to the Willis, and my Oren FX students. Quick one, let me just cut this out. But you know how to make your entries. Okay, you know how to make your entries, guys. But this is just this about gold. So obviously, after this countdown, we are going to hop onto odd USD as well, and also probably Euro USD. Let's see, guys. But feel free to like, subscribe, and then leave a comment on what you want to see next. Thank you, guys.